I'm sharing with you today something that I've never shared before. Well, because I never really thought about it. So today, this is not a beginner's video, but if you're a beginner, this tip will help you, okay? Experiment, experiment, experiment. Also, I'm pouring with my new bloom recipe, but I'm not gonna give you all of that in one video. Heck, this video is already free. I'm so happy to be talking to this amazing human being on the other side of the screen, and that is you, baby. Welcome to the Feel Good Porn Station. So I poured my paint directly from the can, and let's go through these colors really quick, and I'm going to jump into this tip. So this is Quinacridone Nickel Azure Gold, and now this is Bordeaux Red by Arteza. These are my jams, two of my favorite colors, and some more of my favorite colors. This is Light Blue Permanent, High Master's Touch. This is an opaque color, and we're going to follow this up by some iridescent blue black Pebeo. I use this all the time. I would drink it if they would let me. All right, this is oxide black. Putting that on top for a little contrast, and we're going to end things off with a white cell activator, 3 parts Australian Floetrol and 1 part paint. Of course, this is my titanium white by Amsterdam. All right, so I am opening things up, and I am going to use my hairdryer to blow out my bloom here like normal. However, you will see that I put my diffuser on, and I want you to pay really close attention. Let's get into that thing. So we are getting the paint spread out here good on our canvas, and I'm not going to quite reveal the recipe yet, but I will give you the one that I've been using for a very, very long time. Okay, once again, this video is free. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so I'm only giving you a little at a time, plus I share about 90% of everything that I know is on YouTube. You just got to watch the videos. All right, so look what we have. I still have a lot of cell activator left, so I decided to take the diffuser off, and you can see I'm getting way more cells. Wait a minute. Okay. Mine was going a million miles a minute, so we're going to make some adjustments for this next bloom, and I'll be back. So what I saw is when I took the diffuser off, not only did I get more cells, but my cell structure changed. And so my mind starts to race. I start to think, how can I use this to my advantage? So, friends, with your blooms, you have to experiment, experiment, experiment. So this is what I want you to do. We're blowing this thing out right now. You see, I'm using my straw to get into those smaller parts of my cell activator. The next time, I'm going to change how I blow out my bloom with my hair dryer. No diffuser at all. Okay, so what I want you to do, I want you to take a canvas. You need a large size canvas. I want you to make several different bloom puddles, okay? And I want you to record yourself blowing them out, trying different angles to see what you get. Now, you also need to take into consideration your pouring medium and paint recipe, okay? So, if this recipe works for you, you're getting the cells, but you're just not getting the formation that you want, okay? Maybe you've been blowing by mouth. Try with a hair dryer, stick to a hair dryer, and keep playing, okay? So, try putting your hair dryer directly on top of your bloom and blowing out that way. Try at an angle, try at an even sharper angle, try to skin it completely across the top. Just try different things to see what effect you get. Also, take note of your pillow paint. So here I actually realized that my pillow paint was a little bit on the thicker side. So when I was blowing with the hair dryer and the diffuser, I wasn't really able to skim it across the top to get the cells that I really desired. But we are about to see a completely different bloom this time. So I'm expanding it just like I did before, but watch. That white goes way farther across the bloom. I like to think of it like a helicopter. They're rescuing people out of water in the little baskets. Okay, but look, you're going to see the cell formation is completely different from my last bloom as I was able to grab more of the paint. So I want you to try this. I know it sounds crazy, but take it from the people who have taken in-person classes with me. My methods of madness work. They work. Okay, so we're gonna blow this out. We're gonna spin it out, and I want you to take a look at the difference. Already, you see, we're able to expand this bloom, and with my new recipe, look at just how beautiful these cells form. And we don't lose really any of the structure of the cells at all. And you may have noticed a difference in my videos. I've got some new things. That is because Hilda is back. If you don't know, Hilda is my executive assistant. She's been away for a while, but guess what? She's back. All right, so you can see the definite difference. Um, but the one to the right has really, really beautiful long striations, which can be really pretty. I've done a painting like this recently that I really love. So there is no right or wrong way. It's all about preference. I prefer the second bloom that we did most of the time. However, I just want to give you options and channels and ways to make your bloom your own and get the look that you want. That's really the whole purpose of this video, and I think this will help. Okay, don't forget it. There is no right or wrong way to a bloom because all the flowers in the garden look different. All right, so now I am working the composition a bit. I'm going to do some tilting, a little spinning, a little this, a little that. I won't quite say this is a deconstructed bloom all the way, but we will deconstruct that bloom that I'm blowing out currently. So I'm trying to get some more petals and wispy lines. And while I'm blowing, I'll go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button too. Thanks. So lots and lots of blowing. I decided to do some embellishing here with my stir stick and creating some more lines. Also, please visit my website. I have a new collection out. It dropped today with this video, www.garrickbrownartstudio.com. I'd love to see you there. And also, another shameless plug, I have Amazon links below of products that I like, and I get a few cents. If you make a purchase through my link, it costs nothing to you. So I'm doing a little more tilting. I want the lines to be more organic and a little softer. So I'm going to tilt a little more. And you can see that that first bloom that we blew out together is really getting some gorgeous pools from the paint pooling off of the canvas as we tilt it. And I really, really love that. Um, love this piece, but I really can't wait to see it in another home. Okay, I'm ready for this one to go to its forever home. So if you are interested, please let me know. And this is me being very indecisive about what to do next. So just look at all of the colors that we created. Like, wow, that quinacridone nickel azo gold is something out of this world. It helps create so many colors. I hate that it is being discontinued, but I am not worried. There will be a replacement. I am trying to stock up. Having a hard time finding it. So if you have some that you would like to gift or for me to buy, let me know. Preferably unopened because I plan to store some. Um, but yeah, look at this bloom. Even the cells are a bit wonky. I really love it. The overall composition is just amazing. But for some reason, I just didn't know when to stop. Y'all, why? Why? Why was I taking a marble to this? It was done. And you can see real quick, I rolled it right on back because I was about to tear this piece up. Okay? Look, the paint had dried because my hair dryer that I'm using in the video does not have a cool function. So I really did spend a lot of time working this piece. A lot of people think that fluid art is just bam and it's done. It actually takes longer than it looks, especially when you're working with composition, getting that look. So I just was like, Lord, let me fix this. Okay, let me take it to the hospital. But y'all, this piece is done. Here are the dried results. And family, remember, do everything with love. I want you to treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Love is all we have. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video very soon. Peace.